So today is our day 10 of quarantine, and someone just dropped some food for us today, guys, and they're so generous. So this is from the Sikh community of Shepparton, and look at this food, it's still warm. So they have like, I think this is fried rice. That's a lot. I think yeah, because they asked if how many people in the family, and I said there 4, but they like, this is a lot, guys. Thank you so much. What is this one? Sikh community. So thank you, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna eat all this. Thank you very much. And they also have some fruit and some apples, fresh apples. Thank you so much, Sikh community Shepparton. Thank you. God bless you. And I'll put I put their photo on the description. Thank you.
Very nice one, isn't it?
Thank you, guys. So guys, let's eat, guys. Thank you for the sponsor. So this is some rice, and I think this is like a